Hello everyone, I am Aksh Kumar and this is ResQnet. ResQnet is the context-aware emergency response system designed to provide real-time situational awareness during emergencies. Unlike traditional SOS applications that depend on users manually interacting with their phones, ResQnet is built around a simple idea where the device triggers the emergency, not the user. Here is the live website for the project and also the live GitHub link. You can also check it out yourselves. Currently, we have set up three dashboards. First is the simulator dashboard, which is basically summing up whatever is happening. We can simulate all the devices here and uh, choose whatever is happening as per the controls available here. Secondly, we have the user dashboard and the responder dashboard, which will be mainly used for this purpose. After that, we will also build the admin dashboard for the company and the operation dashboard for the responders, the official responders or authorized responders, you can say. I will just show you how this is actually working. I will just open up the user dashboard and register as a device. I already have a account, so I will just sign in. And this is the dashboard the user will see. Here is the user ID, which will be used later on for any of the purposes. Then here is how the contacts can be added. I have already set up two of the emergency contacts, and this is how the new ones can be added. Then these are the settings and the history, the incident history basically. Now I will add a device, and this is how currently we are registering a sample device. But later on, when we will have the actual product, we will be using a Bluetooth to do the same. Here the device name has been registered, and this is how it will look here. You can see the same device is being registered with its own personal device ID. Currently, we don't have an actual device, so we would have to set up a simulated device, which I have made in such a way that I could set up here in the user dashboard as well and register the device as its own. All the commands which will be used further on can be seen here and along with the simulator dashboard. This is the code which will be used, and this is the user ID which was received from here. Here the device has been registered and its own device ID has been allotted to itself. If we refresh the user dashboard, we can see that the device has been registered here with the same device ID. Now we will just set up the simulator. Here we would have to change the device ID here so that it would respond to that specific ID and enter. The simulator has begun now, and all these movement logs which can be seen here will also be stored in its own database. When I refresh this, I can see it is now active. And if I refresh this once again, you can see the emergency has been triggered as here. Along with that, the emergency contacts, like this, I will just open up this mail and I can see the new mails I've received. I will just open up the responder link from here and it will just automatically redirect me to the responder dashboard. This is how the responder dashboard looks. It is the same which will be opened from here. This dashboard contains all the necessary information which is useful for the responder to respond to the emergency. All the device specifications, the location, and the location is dynamically updated here as well. The alert levels, the connection status of the device, and the number of responders which are actually viewing this current page. Yeah. There are also controls like a shared location called 112, which is the official emergency contact number in India. And I am on the way is basically a acknowledgement button, which once I click, it will be sent to the overall dashboard. If any other responder is watching this, they can see this message here, and they will know that at least one person is readily going there to assist the victim. Here, from here, you can contact the emergency devices, and from here, you can share the location to any other person, like for the policeman or the ambulance, and etc. etc. Later on, the live audio will also be integrated here. It is basically whatever the device is hearing from around its surrounding, the device with the victim, so that it could be used to assess whatever is happening there. In case she or he can respond to they can dictate whatever is happening there and explain the circumstances there. Then the responders can act accordingly. And that is how everything is working right now. You can see the device is now offline because the simulator is now complete. But that's it. That is how ResQnet works. Thank you.